Okay, let's see how to make simulation file. This must be done when you connected to your car. In the overview menu, once you read, ideally it's being done before you identify all the modules. In the menu like this, select all, and then you select this F10 logs. Go to select simulation data, select start recording and then execute. Now you start recording. The indication is this red dot on the right top. Then you go back, select all your module and go next, F12. This will initiate or communicate with your car control modules. Once all of the modules are connected and identified, you will have the data populated. And then you can continue pulling more data by clicking this tab and the next tab and the next tab and the next tab and the next tab and all subsequent activity. You can choose all of them to give you the idea, to give you the data from your car. Because I'm not connected to car, so it gives me nothing. And this is simulation in simulation. And then select any other menu, any other tab, and the coding. Select all, continue forward. You will then be presented with the values, coding values in manual from your car. Then after we complete reading the coding value, you can then stop recording by pressing F10, simulation data. Here you can stop or continue or whatever. Stop recording. Select stop recording from the drop down menu and then click execute. Now we have stopped the recording. Now we have new. Now we need to save it. You can change the name to anything you like and then click save. Now we have this simulation file. This simulation file is located in E drive, Piwis user data, PIDT, simulation data. It's there. Send me this file, or you can extract it. Send me in the zip format, or you send me in the any file. It's better to send it in zip format. And then you can place it yourself if you like. Place this file in the 992 project folder. It should be placed here. You paste it here. You can rename it to whatever name you like. Its name is my carpin. It's just for example. Then you edit your default simulation ini. Change this to the file name you just created. Or if you want to be able to make selection, you will have to make the same as other simulation file. Simulation default simulation XML. You need to make the same format as this one. Your default simulation with this line you will have only one selection. If you make another group, you will have two selection or more. You change this, you delete this, later on we delete. You change this spaces name into whatever name you like it, and into Greg, for example, and this one, and then to chat or whatever name, and then direct this to the simulation file you just made now. In this case I have it like this. My Carvin simulation, and what else was it? Default simulation ini. So this one will go to default. I will call it default. Save it. Now we have two simulation files. Let's try. We finished it with this, and you can close it. Let's try how many simulation we have. But the thing is that with this Piwis take times to close. So when it's